What's the meaning of aforesaid? Aforesaid. 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 Aforesaid is an adjective that describes something that has been previously mentioned or specified. It is often used in legal or formal language to refer back to a specific point or statement that has already been made. This word is useful for avoiding repetition and maintaining clarity in complex documents or conversations. By using aforesaid, speakers or writers can quickly and easily refer back to a previous idea without having to repeat it in full. Overall, aforesaid is a concise and efficient way to refer to something that has already been stated.